Welcome back to OTCCTV with your girl Shima. It has been quite a while that I've done one of these videos, but I'm interested in hopping right back into it. I've been getting some requests, so here we are. We start with a top-down analysis, but first, please don't forget to like, subscribe. I usually have an update on our channel, but we have been doing well. We have close to 300 subscribers now, over 2,500 views, and I'm just excited to get back into it. So let's hop in. We are here looking at our monthly chart. As you can see, we broke highs in December. Now in January, we are on a pullback. From a bird's eye view that we are looking at, we are clearly still in an overall uptrend, but for the monthly, it is currently bearish. These blue parallel lines here, this is a parallel channel. Price is currently sitting a little bit beneath the midway of this parallel channel, and that is our pullback here on this monthly time frame. So it is technically bearish right now. So here on the weekly, we are also a little bearish. We can see that the candles are sort of getting shorter and shorter as they are falling, but we are beneath, again, that midway of this parallel channel here. And technically the price is still bearish here on the weekly. We would still need to cross beneath the prior week, which is 2000, sitting at 2001 for further downside to test these levels of the 1900s. Really quick, I want to hop back over to the monthly too, because I only really have the 50 up. That green line is the 50 MA. Just wanted to point out that we are above the 50 MA here on the monthly. Price right here, as you can see, pulled to the 50 in the bottom of the parallel channel, and then we pushed up to the top of that parallel channel. So I just wanted to make sure that we pointed that out, that we are above the 50 currently here, which is still giving me that bullish sentiment overall. But in the short term, again, we are bearish. Here on the daily chart, as you can see, there is some consolidation, right? We are consolidating, but looking at that 50, we are actually beneath the 50 here, and we are beneath the midway of that parallel channel. So with that said, on the 50, I definitely want to throw in some trend lines so we can see a couple of levels that I would like to keep in mind. So we have removed the 50. We're just throwing a few trend lines here. As you can see currently, when we zoom in just a little bit more, we see price here has, right here, price has broken here the trend line first, right? We pulled back up, broke it again, and now that was a retest here. In my opinion, we could technically see a little bit more downside, since this seems to be a retest here of this zone of that broken trend line there. In that case, I would like to see a break of 2013 for further downside. These are, of course, our levels. For further upside, I would like to see a break here, technically of 2029. And of course, this upper trend line, oops, I can never draw well on these things, but of course, this upper trend line as well. So I would like to see a break there, for price to break there and then give us some further upside. But again, we would need to break that 2029 level and of course that trend line to see that. Currently right now though, I do see more of a push to the downside based on price being, well, having this retest and being rejected here at this trend line. So what I could see is potentially more downside from here. So I will keep that in mind. Again, if we were to break this 2014, technically 2010 too as well, because then that would allow us to not only break this level of support, but we'll also break this trend line as well. And that would be a nice confirmation, in my opinion, for further downside. We could break and then, you know, give us some more potential break to the downside. So let me know what you see in the comments. In the gold chart as well, if you like to trade gold. Let me know if there's any other charts that you may want to see on the page as well. But I'm very, very interested in this week, and I'm technically looking for some shorts. So let's see how it goes. Have a great week. Stay focused, stay determined. And what do we always do, y'all? We keep trading. All right. Peace.